Alright guys, what's up? Here we go with another one. If you're trying to learn Spanish, you know the deal. Alright. Hola. Hello. Good day. It just means hi. Hello. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What is your name? Yeah. What is your name, muchachita? That's how you want to say that. Well, you need the facial expressions too, like, okay? Everything. Okay, guys. Número 3. Mi nombre es John Smith. ¿Verdad? My name is John Smith in English. But in Spanish, mi nombre es John Smith. All right. Next one. Let's go to the next one. ¿Cómo estás? Which means, how are you? Do we really care? No, I mean, yes. We always care, guys. We pretend we care. Bien, gracias. Good. I'm good, thank you. Thanks. Same difference. Tomato. Gracias. Which means thank you. Thanks. Whatever. Alright, next one. Mucho tiempo sin verte. Oh, sí. Long time no see. Mucho tiempo sin verte. Tiempo means time. Long time no see. Long time no see, guys. Alright. Next one. ¿Cómo está tu familia? How is your family? Right? If you're just trying to make a conversation, how is your family? ¿Cómo está tu familia? I guess you would use this if you're already on a date or a second date and you're just trying to make conversation. Hopefully you understand the response. Next one. Do you understand? ¿Entiendes? Do you understand? Yeah, I understand. Yo entiendo. Yes. Sí. Okay, next one. No lo sé. I don't know. Okay, guys, you already know the deal. That was just a dance break. Okay, no more dance break. Stop dancing. Next one. No lo sé. ¿Puedes, por favor, escribirlo? Can you please write that down? Yeah. I don't know when you would use this or if you want somebody to write something. ¿Puedes, por favor, escribirlo? Escribirlo. That's how you say that. Can you write that down, please? Por favor means please. Okay? Escribirlo means write that down, I guess. Spanish words are lazy because we eliminate words that are not necessary. So escribirlo. Write that. Okay, guys? Oh, shit. Whatever. It's one on YouTube. Oh, I guess that's it, guys. Short video. I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something, YouTube. And use it on your next date. I hope this helps. Subscribe and like my channel.